Hello, this is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. Today we are getting you out of your comfort zone. Most of the negotiation, you ended up making one proposal to the other party and you get one return. The technique we want to cover today is called MESO, Multiple Equivalent Simultaneous Offer. So the idea is that you develop three offers that have similar value to you and then offer simultaneously to your counterpart. This technique has a number of benefits versus the traditional one offer because it signals flexibility, because you get different type of proposal to the other party and you get them to choose which one they prefer. It gives you the opportunity to collect information because as the other party tells you which of the offer they prefer, then you understand what are their interests. So even with another party that doesn't want to collaborate much, then this MESO techniques is a good technique to understand more about their interest. The third benefit is that it also enables you to anchor your deal. So what we mean is that you can indeed make an aggressive offer and you can make three aggressive offers as you make one, so that while you show flexibility, in reality you're preparing three offers that are all very advantageous to you. So to create those multiple equivalent simultaneous offers, there are probably three key steps that you want to keep in mind. The first one is identify the variables that you want to change. So if in a deal you have 5 or 6 variables, then you decide which are the 2 or 3 that will stay stable during each of the proposal, and which are the ones that will change, the 3 or 4, for instance, that they will change from one proposal to the other, so that the other party has this variation. A second thing is you need to understand which is the value of those variables, because in order to prepare 3 offers that have the same value, then you need to understand, if you change the intellectual property, or if you change the payment terms, or if you change other kind of factors, then you should know which is the value of you to this factor, so that you can indeed make simultaneous equivalent offers. The third idea is create 3 offers of equivalent value to you and ask the other party which one they prefer. I think that making more than 3 offers further increases the complexity, so it may be difficult then to move forward. So the research also from Professor Medved shows that the best thing to do is indeed to have 3 offers and get the other party to choose. Even if they don't like any of the 3, ask them which one they prefer, so that you have an indication about which direction you can move this forward. Let me give you an example of how a multiple simultaneous equivalent offer may look like. Usually you change more than 2 parameters, but let's make it simple and just with 2 parameters. Then the way you will say, let's say you are a salesman, then you will say, well, if you give me 150 tons of product, then I can accept your payment terms of 90 days. If you give me 125 tons of product, then we can go for payment terms of 60. If you only give me 100 tons, then we have to stay with the payment terms of 30 days. For more insight on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.